Inspector Mills, I'd like to tell you about a girl I saw at a party just the other night. Beverly Hills. I hope you find her and it don't take long. Watch my feelings for growing strong. In a war of wills. Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to point you in a direction. I need to see her walking down up the door. If I had taken my time, you'd feel me standing here still. Inspector Mills, I recall once in my life I felt this way before, but I let her go and close the door. Walk away. I can't attempt to show the hurt in me, just how much I need the company. Search the valleys and the hills, gotta find her, Mr. Mills. I can't attempt to point you in her direction. I was blinded by the look in her eyes. If I had taken my time, you'd be sitting here still. Inspector Mills. Someday soon, I might be in love with her. Inspector Mills, I guess you've taken quite a look around. Guess I've heard the word from the underground. She's gone for